Back over to Alex and Courtney. You guys, how's it looking out there now?
Oh, it's a little bit busy this morning. Yeah. Of course, do expect delays with those buses because the rain is coming down hard. Alex and I have been giving you team coverage all morning long. A little bit of an active morning, hasn't it been, Alex?
Yes, we've got several watches in effect. We'll get to that in just a moment. But first, Courtney has a look at the radar.
That's right. Yeah, it is a very rainy morning out there. Of course, this is a popular commute time for a lot of you. It's all thanks to now Tropical Depression Fred, the center riding along the Alabama-Georgia line. This heavy rain band now pushing into parts of Baldwin County, Wilkinson County, and Lawrence County. This has been the one to watch this morning that has warranted for a few tornado warnings. And Alex will take you through the tornado watch, which does mean that tornadoes will be possible as we go through the morning. So something we'll be watching. Upson County, also Monroe County, Lamar County. We have had reports of trees down. If you do see any damage in your area, please send it safely to us, that report, okay? We do have all of the light rain off to the west of 75. The worst of it is over for you if you are west of 75. Some heavy rain starting to push into Bleckley County. The heaviest of rain now in the Dudley area along 16 in Lawrence County. This is continuing to push off to the east, so eastern Lawrence County, you will be next within the next minute. Wilkinson County, also again, parts of Jones and Baldwin County with very heavy rainfall as Fred continues to make its way to the north. That tornado warning just clipped our viewing area. Wow, that was a close one, but thankfully that is out of our way. We do have some very gusty wind across the area as well, gusting as high as it looks like 21 in Eastman. Pair that with all the rain, there will be that potential for more trees to down, so be extra vigilant as you're heading out on the roads. Now, Alex is going to take you through all of our current watches and advisories in effect. Alex.
Yeah, Courtney, three big ones, the three main threats as Tropical Depression Fred heads to the north. The first, a tornado watch in effect for most of our area until 1 p.m., but like I've been saying all morning, I expect this to be trimmed back and eventually gone by 1 p.m. We also have a flash flood watch in effect until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning for our northern and western counties from Macon, Peach, Bibb, Jones, Putnam to the north and west, and then also a wind advisory in effect until 5 p.m. for wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. And again, expect that to be trimmed back as Fred continues its trek to the north. Courtney?
Thank you so much, Alex. We're going to time everything out for you, of course, this morning. Obviously very active, and we are going to continue to have that threat for brief spin-ups. Like Alex said, that tornado watch goes until 1 o'clock, and it will be primarily within this line of storms. Once we get this line of storms out of here, not that we can completely give an all clear or anything, because we are going to still have that potential for a few brief spin-ups, but that is going to be our main culprit for our strongest of storms as we go through the morning. So by 9 o'clock, notice most of that heavy rain now shifting into our easternmost counties. So we're talking Hancock, Washington, parts of Johnson and Trutland counties, also eastern Lawrence, and we'll continue to keep Wilkinson within that. The center of Fred here by noon, starting to push into potentially near the metro Atlanta area. And once we head into the afternoon, that is when we'll be able to bring that tornado threat to an end. However, unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to bring that rain threat to an end anytime soon. Your 7-day forecast, it looks pretty rainy. The full details on that are on our website and on our app.